Hey, what's going on guys, RPOMG here, and well, today I'm going to show you how to make a square smiley with Java blockly coding. Yes, so it's not that very hard to make that. It's very easy. You just have to use the jump block, the turn right, turn left either, or the move forward blocks. So that's it. Now, all of these codes that I'm about to put here to make the smiley, it will all be here from the actions center. All of these blocks are blue and they are all from here. Move forward, turn right, well, because we are having her to draw it, so well, actions. So set character to Elsa, well, there it is. So let's put it to Elsa now here. And now jump forward so that we can start making it. Now jump forward by 100 pixels. So the area between from here to here is 100 pixels. Actually there's 200 pixels, but we're in the middle already, so well, yeah, so we're gonna move forward 100 pixels. There's 200 pixels, I'm sorry. So now let's check. Okay, now turn right by 90 degrees here. Now move forward by 100 pixels. So all of the lines, this is a square, so all of the lines are in 200 pixels, but we will be in the middle, as you can see from here. So I'm using 100 pixels, but it's actually 200 pixels. So yeah, we'll put the other 100 pixels when we finish. You'll see. So now turn right by 90 degrees. Now to just turn right. There we go. Now move forward by 200 pixels. As I told you, all these lines are 200 pixels long. So now turn right by 90 degrees again. There. Now move forward by 200 again. I could have used a loop block here, but I just wanted to go simple for my first time, so that's why I just used these blocks. Or well, you can just put the repeat block. You can just put any, Alright, so move forward now again. Okay, there we go. Now turn right by 90 degrees and 200 pixels, 100 pixels. Well, we already put the 100 pixels right here, so now another 100 pixels and turn right by 90 degrees. So there we go, there we have it. And now we are going to draw the face. Turn right by 90 degrees and jump forward by 50 pixels. So jump means to just move forward but not draw a line. And yeah, now turn left. It's not actually a smiley, it's just a long face. I don't know. Okay, now hey, let's just now turn right by 180 degrees. So let's see. Alrighty, so there we go. It turned right by 180 degrees. So well, you can put turn right or left, whatever. It's just going to spin around and be back, And now move forward by 50 pixels because we already did. And now now turn right by 90 degrees, 180 degrees. Now let's go. Okay, there we go. Now it turned from here, and now jump forward by 50 pixels there. So it will be back in the middle now. Again, turn right by 90 degrees. Alright, so and well, this type of coding is very simple. So yeah, it's not that confusing, and you can understand this very easily. And yeah, let's just complete this. It's very easy to do this. That's what I'm saying. Other than using the Python or C++ or any other place to make codes, you can just use this, but you can just make that complex code, so you have to, but this is also called Java block coding, so it's from Java, it's for just beginners, like me. All right, and now jump forward by 10 pixels. So there we go. Okay, this is the nose right here. Now we're gonna make this whole code is just for the eyes here. And also I'm going to put the link in the description if you want to see the code by yourself. I'm going to put the link in the description for it. So yeah, if you want to, you can check that out too. Check this out actually. Yeah. So turn left by 90 degrees here again. So we are just making a small box first of all for the eyes. Move forward by 50 pixels. So the eyes are, again in square shape. So 50 here, 50, 50, 50. So yeah, could have used a loop block there, but it's okay. Okay, now move forward by 25 and turn left by 90 degrees and move forward by 50 pixels. So the sides are actually 25, so it's actually a rectangle now. I forgot. Yeah, that's a rectangle. Okay, so this whole code is for the other eye. No, actually this is also for the eyeball, Now turn left by 90 degrees. Hey, where are you? Okay. It went pretty slow, didn't it? I'm just gonna bring this up. Yep, there we go. Now jump forward. There we go. Now turn left. We are making the eyeball right now here. So it should be easy. Jump forward by 10 pixels only. Let's check. Keep on checking in the middle. Okay, so jump forward. Works now. Now let's start. Turn right by 90 degrees. Move forward by 10 pixels only again. Okay, turn left by 90 degrees again. Move forward. There could have been so many loop blocks. Turn left again. Move forward by 10 pixels again. Turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 25 pixels. So there, let's try. Okay, it's perfectly done, and you just have to repeat this all. So I'm not gonna show you all of this again. Just put this, and yeah, you can check this out by yourself too. So yeah, it's gonna be a very long video if I keep on showing you step by step both of them, and it will also be boring. This is just a repeats. I could have just put the loop block here again so that it'll just do it by itself, but well, I didn't. I just wanted to go basic for my first time. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and if you found this video helpful, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.